This is
Can I order hot fudge? One hot fudge and
one hot fudge. Okay.
that's all.
One hot fudge. Kindly check the screen.
Okay.
How about apple pie, ma'am?
No, thank you.
Okay, 50 pesos. First window, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
50 pesos po.
50 pesos po.
Very good ha.
Let me just okay, baka
Okay, get money. I receive 100 pesos.
I receive 100 pesos.
Very good. Then click 100 pesos here. Okay, slowly. Okay. Alright. Okay. 100 pesos. Sige, dito atin na dahil sa... Dito atin na. Are you happy for your snaps?
Yes.
Good afternoon, can I have your orders, please?
Hindi ko ma-reach.
Thank you.
Spicy original na.